Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, I've got another Jordan 1 review for you guys. Okay, let's go. Okay, so as you can see, this is the gray brown new Jordan 1 box for the new Jordan 1 zooms. So let's open it out and see which one we got. Ooh, you can already see which one it is. Let's see this. We've got a cardboard and it's saying Nike Jordan 1 Zoom Air Comfort. And as you can see, if you want to see the instructions, you can pause. It just tells you a bit about the shoes, of how it has all the comfort stuff. If you want to read it, just pause the video. Okay, let's take this away. And wow, there we are. There is the shoes. I just unwrap the other one, and here we are. There we go. Now just put the camera up a bit so you can see it, and there we are. So these are the new Jordan 1 Zooms London, and as you can see, there is the London tag. Very nice shoe. Let's show you the other side. There we are. Just look at the details. Amazing shoe. Great quality. So let's start off with the bottom. As you can see in the outsole, it is a grey bottom. Don't know if the lighting is picking it up, but it's a nice grey bottom. Then you have the white midsole, and look at this leather quality. Amazing plush leather. You have a nice quality on the side. You have the cutout Nike tick here. Little flip details here of the zoom sign covered up. Very nice. All deconstructed, as you can see. Exposed foam on the top. What an amazing shoe. Very nice. You have the Air Jordan wing logo in the navy. So this is what they made for a London exclusive colorway. So it's got a lot of grays. You've got a little peach color here for the foam. As you can see, it looks very nice. Here's the laces, and then you've got the Zoom A in a leather tag here. Very nice. And the insole, I don't know if you can see it, but it is just white and black. And yeah, all in all, very nice shoe. And a secret here is, if you see it, if you bring this out, it says 1985, which is the year of the original Jordans 1. Very nice detail. But I'll show you another trick. And in the other toe box, you have 2020, which was the year of the release of the Zoom Air, the comfort version. All in all, this shoe is absolutely amazing. It's got that deconstruction look. As you can see, this is how they look like from the front, looking all kind of amazingness. Very nice. You have the little London leather tab here, as you can see, LDN, short for London. All good here. Yes, all in all, this is a very nice shoe. The retail was quite low as well, £130 in the UK, and the resale now you're looking at, you have to pay around £230 to £250 depending on your size. So it does have quite a bit of resale. So if you can get them for retail, I will highly recommend these amazing pair of shoes. As I say, the Nike Jordan 1 Zoom Londons, I believe they're called. There we are. Here is a good shot of these. There we go. I will quickly give you an on-hand shoot now. So this is how they look like if you used to wear them. I don't have the budget for on feet, but yes, this is how you look on hand. Very nice. All in all, highly recommend the shoe. If you can grab it, The prices I think is gonna rise on these because the leather quality, as I showed you, impeccable, very nice. All the little hidden details, you know, deconstruction everywhere from the wings all around. Very nice pair of Jordan. Okay guys, I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please subscribe, follow me on everything, and as always, believe.